So One UI 8.5 is a very cool version of software, and you might be trying to figure out why it's not installing on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now, number one of the biggest things to keep your eye out for is your internet connection. So go through and just make sure that within your internet connection or your data connection, make sure you have your full Wi-Fi fully connected, your data fully connected. That's going to end up fixing the problem for you for the most part. Now, another very important thing, make sure you have enough storage saved on your device as well. So if you're almost running out of storage, that is also going to be another really big problem. So hop inside of device care, and then under storage, just make sure you have enough storage saved onto your device. That in and of itself is also going to be another really important thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about here as well. Now also, your battery life. Right now I'm at like 8%. My phone will not be able to install any software update until it's at a much more reasonable battery life. So that is another really big thing too. So in order for this update to even install, I will have to be on like 20 or 30% or higher and or have it plugged in. So make sure that's the case, make sure you have it plugged in and everything like that. And that's also going to end up fixing the problem for you as well. So hopefully that ends up doing it there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.